Just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best. Let's be honest with ourselves. Most of the time we expect a bit of both, the good and the bad. But the bad tends to be worrisome and therefore more powerful. It paralyzes us. When you expect the best, you are bold, courageous, and driven because you know that nothing can stop you. Your desire is your prayer. Picture the fulfillment of your desire now and feel its reality, and you'll experience the joy of the answered prayer. Close your eyes and picture what you yearn for deeply. Not what others want for you, but what you truly want for yourself. Picture it. Take your time. Relax and do not worry about believing whether it's real or not. Be playful and at ease with it. Do it as often as you can, as vividly as you can. It is yours. Never let a negative statement go unfinished. Reverse it immediately and wonders will happen in your life. The one thing I believe everyone should be taught from a young age: never ever let a negative statement stand and always replace it with something positive. It takes time, mindfulness, and awareness. It comes with practice and patience, but it is so worth it. If you remain faithful to your mental attitude, your prayers will be answered. When we hear about manifestation, we are thrilled because we now know that we can get what we want. More often than not, we lack the skill to get what we want. That skill is consistency. When we learn to be consistent with our mental attitude, then we can truly practice the technique and eventually get what we want. It takes time to learn how to be consistent and faithful to our vision, but it's well worth it. Remember, you have the capacity to choose. Choose life, choose love, choose health. At any given moment, you can choose your attitude towards life, towards people, towards your goals. Choose something good, something positive, something that will lead you toward your goals, not the other way around.